Apple's offline AI revolution, how developers are quietly transforming your apps. Earlier this year, Apple dropped a bombshell at WWDC 2025 with the introduction of its Foundation Models Framework, https techcrunch.com 2025-06-09. Apple lets developers tap into its offline AI models. This game-changing tool allows developers to harness the power of Apple's local AI models directly within their apps. No internet connection required. But here's where it gets controversial. While these models are smaller than the heavyweights from OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, or Meta, they're proving to be incredibly useful for enhancing everyday app experiences. And this is the part most people miss. These local AI models aren't about reinventing the wheel. They're about making your apps smarter, faster, and more intuitive in ways you might not even notice. As iOS 26 rolls out, developers are rushing to integrate these models into their apps, focusing on quality of life improvements rather than drastic overhauls. Below, we explore some of the most innovative apps leveraging Apple's AI framework. And trust us, you'll want to keep an eye on these. Lil Artist, more than just child's play. This kids learning app, https apps.apple.com/in/app, Lil Artist, ID 1530654432, has introduced an AI story creator with the iOS 26 update. Kids can pick a character and theme, and the app generates a unique story using Apple's local AI. It's a brilliant way to spark creativity, but does it truly replace the magic of human storytelling? Let us know what you think in the comments. Daylish, your planner, now smarter. The Daylish app, https apple.com/app, Day Planner Alarm Daylish, ID 67510-325, is experimenting with AI to suggest emojis for your timeline events based on the title. It's a small touch, but it's these little details that make planning feel less like a chore. MoneyCoach, financial insights at your fingertips. This finance tracker, https MoneyCoach, uses local AI to provide spending insights, like whether you overspent on groceries this week. It also auto-suggests categories for transactions, making budgeting almost effortless. But here's a thought. Does AI-driven financial advice make us more mindful or more reliant on technology? Lookup, redefining word learning. Lookup, https appsapple.com/in/app.lookup English Dictionary, ID 87256448, has added a learning mode that generates examples for words and asks users to explain their usage. It's a hands-on approach to vocabulary building, but is it as effective as traditional methods? Tasks, your personal productivity assistant. The Tasks app, https apps.apple.com/app/tasks to-do lists Kanban, ID 1502903102, uses local AI to detect recurring tasks and even break down spoken notes into actionable items. It's like having a virtual assistant, but without the internet. How does this change the way we manage our to-do lists? Day 1, Journaling Reimagined. apps.apple.com/us/app/day 1 Journal Private Diary, CTA web releases, now uses AI to suggest entry titles, generate prompts, and highlight key moments. It's a dream for writers. But does AI-generated content dilute the authenticity of Sign Easy, signing documents simplified? Sign Easy, https apps.apple.com/app/sign easy sign documents app/ID 381786507, uses local AI to summarize contracts, ensuring you know exactly what you're signing. It's a game changer for legal documents, but can AI truly replace the expertise of a lawyer? Dark Noise, crafting soundscapes with words. Dark Noise, https darknoise.app, lets users describe a soundscape in words, and the app generates it using local AI. You can even tweak the elements afterward. It's creative freedom at its best, but is it as satisfying as crafting sounds manually? Lights Out, F1 Racing, summarized. Lights Out, https apps.apple.com/app/lightsout Formula Stats, ID 674896538, uses on-device AI to summarize race commentary, keeping fans updated without overwhelming them. But does this enhance the viewing experience or distract from the thrill of live racing? Capture, note-taking evolved. Capture https apps.apple.com, app/Apple Store, ID 64585284, PT 118517112, CT Prescott MT8. Suggests categories as you type, making note organization a breeze. It's a productivity booster. But does it stifle creativity by overstructuring your thoughts? Lumi, Weather Insights, Personalized Lumi, https apps.apple.com/us/app.id 64585093. Uses AI to provide weather-related suggestions, making it more than just a sun and weather tracker. But is this level of personalization necessary, or just another example of tech overreach? Card pointers, maximizing your credit card rewards. Card pointers, https apps.apple.com/app.id/1472858. Uses AI to answer questions about your cards and offers, helping you earn points efficiently. It's a financial ally, but does it encourage overspending in the pursuit of rewards? Guitar Whiz, learning music, one chord at a time. Guitar Whiz, https apps.apple.com/in/app/guitarwiz, ID 67401502, uses Apple's framework to explain chords, provide insights for advanced players, and support over 15 languages. It's a global classroom, but can AI truly replace the guidance of a human teacher? As more apps adopt Apple's local AI models, we'll keep updating this list. But the bigger question remains. Are these enhancements making our lives easier, or are they subtly reshaping how we interact with technology? Share your thoughts below. We'd love to hear your take on this AI-driven future.